Hello everyone, my name is Fari Almarisi. My name is Davan Sukandra.
My name is Tis Bonarija.
And me, Supervisor Teacher Abdul Ma'arif.
We're from Islamic High School Nur Elmi. We are ready for
Southeast Asian.
STEM competition.
see you there.
House theft is a high risk in Indonesia. There is some factors cause this. One of them is low security system that is effective. Because of that, innovation is needed for giving double protection on a door by taking some benefit of technology. So, in this project, we make smart door lock based on face recognition and complete with short message service. And also can turn on or turn off the lamp. And all of this can be controlled for our close friends and for a range. So let's do the demo on this prototype. First, this device can open the door by face recognition, which is has registered on ESP32 cam. Here is it. To open the door from the inside of the house, we use infrared sensor. By utilizing sensor that can detect a movement, so the door can be opened automatically. And this prototype can now show the door by giving the command with short message service. Besides that, we have also designed this prototype for being able to turn on or turn off the lamp. Last, when the door gets attacked by someone, this device will give message to the owner's phone.
Let's talk about the component of STEM in this prototype. First, in science, we have torsion. Torsion is the measure of the force effectivity that works in an object in a certain point. The torsion can be seen when the door is open and closed. Infrared. In this prototype, we add infrared sensor to open the door from the inside of the house. Technology. Technology takes important role in the stage of building this prototype. We use computer and laptop to make the coding programming to design the workflow of the prototype. And also, we use smartphone as a media to deliver the message when someone breaks the door, and as a tool to give a command to open and close the door, and as a tool to turn on or turn off the lamp. Engineering. We apply the principles of engineering in the stage of planning, designing, and constructing the prototype. Math. When we insert command in coding programming, we apply the principles of math logic, which is part of the mathematics.
In conclusion, what we can learn from this prototype is that science, technology, engineering, and also the math can be applied in daily life. In this case, at the school system. We ask our students with this device wanna prove that with a simple idea and use just a little power of technology, we can build safer society, especially for middle to low class who cannot afford a person to be their whole security.